Tips to help make your affiliate marketing more effective. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool for businesses that wish to expand upon their customer install base and reach a wider and newer target audience. Through rewards and advertising, affiliate marketing generates more profit than traditional advertising would. However, before using affiliate marketing, you should keep the following advice in mind. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. Seek out multiple commissions. Many companies offer several different ways to earn revenue, even from the same customer. These companies are some of the best to work for, because they offer you several ways to gain income from a single person. Read all contracts available and try to choose one with this option. It helps make earning money quicker. Beginning your affiliate marketing career with pay-per-click, PPC, programs is a wise move. By investing only in keyword bidding at PPC search engines and selecting your partner merchants carefully, you can build up a modest income without laying out much upfront investment. Then you can use PPC profits to pay for setting up a website. The best way to use affiliate marketing is to know your audience. You need to ask yourself why people are coming to your site, and what it is they want. Once you know that, you will be more successful because you will be able to give people what they are looking for. If you're into affiliate marketing, don't only write positive things in your reviews, but also include negative things about the products you review. This makes your reviews more realistic and more trustworthy, which makes people more likely to read more of your reviews. The more time they spend on your content, of course, the more likely they are to click an affiliate link and buy something. When people trust your reviews and know you'll steer them right, they'll be willing to click your links even when they know you're making money from it. As the above video states, affiliate marketing is a powerful and helpful tool if used correctly, as it creates a larger customer base for your business and increases your chances of profit more than other methods. If you keep the advice found in the video in mind when using affiliate marketing, you can experience the gains that others have. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.